Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So first off, we are Frenchie Love, and we have puppies. We had puppies. We only have one left. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving holidays with your family. We went to North Carolina, Tennessee area, and we came back with we left with 3 puppies, and we came back with 2. Well, 1. But this guy, you guys know this guy right here, he's our keeper, Mars. And we've debated about it for a week or so if we're gonna keep this guy right here, but unfortunately we have this many dogs already. And we can't really keep this guy as much as I want to keep him. He's still available on the market, guys. This is the last one out of our...
So cute.
Yes, and he is the last one of our litter that's still available. This is Peanut. He's the tiniest boy ever since the beginning. Get my hair. Ever since the beginning, he's always been the tiniest. So if you want that tiny, short, compact stud, because he is a stud, beautiful, beautifully built. This guy's available. So if you are interested, give me a call, 727-244-7358. They're about 19 weeks now. And 18 weeks, almost 19 on Monday. So they're 18 weeks, almost going on 19. Fully vaccinated. Rabies shot even done. Health certificate from the vet. So they're complete. Would hate to let this guy go, but unfortunately we can't keep him. I would love to keep him though, honestly. He's such a good personality. I don't know if we'll ever be the same without this guy, right? He's got such a cool personality, y'all. Ever since the beginning, if you could look at the videos from the past, this guy's always been the man as far as his personality goes. But yeah, he's still available, and I'm gonna miss this guy. They're all bathed and clean. So, like I said, if you're interested, give me a call, 727-244-7358. He's our last puppy left, so he'll go quick. So give me a call, don't hesitate. I deliver all over the country. We'll meet you at your local airport if you're not from Florida. But other else than that, that's all I got to say about this guy, man. You guys can go check him out, Chicken Play. And hope everybody, hopefully everybody have a good rest of the holidays. So 727-244-7358, and you can have Peanut with you for the holidays. Trust me, you're gonna love them. So have a great one, guys. Blessings to everybody and their family and your families. And we'll see you later. Peace. Bye.
Bye.